Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, why your class is not yesterday?
Who took my class yesterday? मेरा
Sir,
period-
first,
हाँ जी, first.
sir, third, fourth period is of science. Then in your period nobody has sent it the link.
अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes, sir.
period.
And last period of the last period is of Hindi grammar.
अच्छा. In the fifth period, nobody sent the link.
No, sir.
अच्छा. अरे. And in the yesterday, I had only one period in your class, or I had two periods? Oh no, I had only one period, I think. No,
Yes,
it
sir,
was
sir,
the
one
second
period.
period. अरे नहीं यार, it was the second. I had only second period yesterday. गुप्ता जी एक बात सुनो जरा.
Good morning, sir.
हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. सेकेंड पीरियड किसका था कल आपकी क्लास में? Yesterday.
Sir, I think science.
Second period was science. But
Yes, sir.
it was my period who had taken the arrangement yesterday. Science. Sangeeta ma'am.
Sir, I think yes, Sangeeta ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, ma'am.
So I had only one period yesterday.
Answer on the yesterday Tuesday, sir, we have 4 periods of Sangeeta ma'am.
4 periods you had of Sangeeta ma'am on Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That day we had a science day.
अच्छा, मजे आ गए साइंस पढ़ पढ़ के तो मजा आ गया होगा.
Sir, there
No,
was
sir. No. We are bored, sir. Again and again.
So today also we will do a revision.
Yes. No, we will not do revision. We will continue with the chapter. Achha, first of all, before starting with the exercise, let me know that how many of you have understood what to do in art integration mathematics में आपको क्या करना है. art integration में आपको समझ में आ गया है?
No, sir.
Groups बन गए
No,
हैं?
sir, sir. Nobody tell about
Yes, sir.
maths. Sir,
No,
nobody
sir.
tell about maths.
Okay, groups बन गए हैं. Groups आपको मालूम है?
No, sir.
Groups are not made.
Groups are also not made.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Not
Really?
till now.
Yes, sir.
No teacher has informed about the groups.
No, sir. Sir, nobody
No, sir.
tell about the groups.
Our class
Sir,
teacher
why
will
we will make the groups?
अच्छा, पहले ये बताइए कि so has any teacher told you about art integration project?
No, sir.
Science
No,
teacher,
sir.
Hindi
Kerala.
teacher, social science
John
teacher.
Kerala.
हाँ जी, the topic is Kerala. किसी ने बताया आपको केरला के बारे में कुछ?
Social science ma'am, Kamini ma'am
केरला
has tell that
सोशल साइंस
you
वाली
will
मैम ने
have
बताया
a-
था केरला के
And sir, Pooja Malhotra ma'am has also told us about the project Kerala.
She also told about the project. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how will I tell because the groups are not made yet? How will I tell? Okay.
So can I do the maths one?
Sir,
हाँ जी.
So can I do one math?
sir, I think
Beta Shatakshi, your class teacher will tell you who is going to do what. कौन सा
sir,
बच्चा?
but he never tell. Sir, but he never tell. Sir, but sir never tell.
He will tell you. He will tell you. Okay. So I was about to tell you about art integration, but because the groups are not made, how will I tell? Oh, this is a big issue. What to do now? Okay, let's start with the exercise only.
Sir, our class teacher also not made the group. Sir, Gola Huja sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir, what is the topic for art integration in maths?
It is related to Kerala only. You have to do something related to.
If we do the math, so what we can do?
I will tell you, but once I have made something, I have decided something to do. But because the groups are not made, how can I tell you? ग्रुप्स बनेंगे पहले तो उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या करना है या पहले बता दूं मैं आपको.
So please tell first.
Okay, so let me tell you कि क्या करना है. There are 3 options. Okay. So you have to. डिस्ट्रिक्ट जानते हैं आप लोग? डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्या होती है? Do you know that Bareilly is a district?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
Lucknow is
Yes, sir. I know. Sir, I've gone also. Sir, I've gone in also.
Gone also मतलब Bareilly.
Sir, I've gone in.
भाई बरेली में रहते हो
Yes,
तो गॉन कैसे बोल रहे हो? You are living in Bareilly district.
So it's an area of a country or city, especially one characterized by a particular feature.
A district is made up of some small towns and villages. So it is a mixture of some small towns and villages that is known as a district. So Bareilly is a district. Another district is Lucknow. Then there is another district, Muradabad. Muradabad is also known as a district. So there are many districts in Uttar Pradesh. Similarly, in Kerala also there are many districts. Okay. So I have thought of 3 things for you all. There are 3 options. The first option is that in Kerala there are 14 districts. 14. Okay. So you have to find out the population. You have to note down the population of all the 14 districts of Kerala. केरला की सारी 14 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स के नाम और उनकी पॉपुलेशन आपको इंटरनेट से मिल जाएगी. उसके बाद क्या करना है, आपको सारी पॉपुलेशन जो है उन सबको नियरेस्ट लैक जानते हैं? नियरेस्ट लैक में राउंड ऑफ करना है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Round off the population of each district to nearest lakh. So this thing you have to do, and then find the average population of each district. Find the average population of each district. So this is what you have to do. Okay. But ये तो एक ऑप्शन हो गया. First option is this, which is not very good in my opinion. मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा ये मैंने ही बनाया although, but not a very good one. Second option is that you have to make a bar graph where you can compare the literacy rate of all the states in South. केरला का लिटरेसी रेट आपको बाकी के स्टेट से कंपेयर करना है. साउथ में डू यू नो दैट केरला इज अ स्टेट ऑफ साउथ इंडिया? साउथ इंडिया का स्टेट है, आपको मालूम है केरला?
Yes, sir.
नॉर्थ और साउथ मालूम है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Well, I have visited also Kerala, Tamil Nadu.
हाँ, साउथ इंडिया में है केरला, आपको मालूम है ना? Yes. So Kerala is a state of South India. Similarly, There are other states also in South India like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and other states are also there. So you have to compare the literacy rate. Literacy rate जानते हैं क्या होता है? वहां पर कितने लोग एजुकेटेड हैं, केरला में कितने % लोग एजुकेटेड हैं, दैट इज नोन एज लिटरेसी रेट. आई बात समझ में? तो जितने ज्यादा एजुकेटेड लोग होंगे वहां पर उतना ज्यादा लिटरेसी रेट होगा. तो लिटरेसी, केरला का लिटरेसी रेट इज द बेस्ट इन इंडिया. इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा लिटरेसी रेट कौन से स्टेट का है? केरला का ही है. मजा आ गया आप लोगों को? आपको एक ऐसा स्टेट मिला है जहाँ का लिटरेसी रेट सबसे ज्यादा है, सबसे अच्छा है. तो सबसे ज्यादा एजुकेटेड पीपल है केरला में. सो केरला, यू हैव टू कंपेयर द लिटरेसी रेट ऑफ केरला विद द लिटरेसी रेट्स ऑफ अदर स्टेट्स इन साउथ इंडिया. साउथ इंडिया के बाकी के जो स्टेट्स हैं उनके लिटरेसी रेट से आपको कंपेयर करना है और एक बार ग्राफ बनाना है. तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको लिटरेसी रेट क्या है, आई विल शो यू माय स्क्रीन एंड आई विल शो यू कि व्हाट इज द लिटरेसी रेट ऑफ केरला एंड अदर स्टेट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. Let me show, just wait.
And so what is the third one?
हाँ बेटा, थर्ड वन अभी बताते हैं, पहले मैं इसके बारे में बता दूं.
Sir, it is not coming.
अरे देखो बेटा, now it is there. So you can see this. ये देखिए, these are the names of the states written here. Look at the first. What is the name? सुनो मेरी बात ध्यान से. What is the name? Andaman and Nicobar Island. What is the literacy rate? 86.3%. यानी कि 86.3% people are educated in Andaman and Nicobar. Andhra Pradesh is a state in south. ये south का state है आंध्र प्रदेश. What is the percentage?
67.
67.7%. Okay. 67.7%. अभी let's find for उत्तर प्रदेश का. देखें अपने स्टेट का. अपना स्टेट कौन सा है? उत्तर प्रदेश. What is the literacy rate in Uttar Pradesh?
69.7%.
Very low. अभी तो काफी इम्प्रूव हो गया, पहले तो और इससे भी कम था. 69.7% people are educated in our state. आइए अब केरला का देखते हैं. Look at this. 93.9%. The best literacy rate in the country. 93.9%. यानी कि आउट ऑफ 100 अगर हम बात करें तो आउट ऑफ 100 ऑलमोस्ट 93.9 पीपल आर एजुकेटेड इन द स्टेट. केरला में 94% हो गया ये राउंड ऑफ करके लगभग. इट इज नियरली 94%. यानी कि हर 100 में से 94 लोग पढ़े लिखे हैं वहां पर. समझ में आया आपको?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this is for Kerala and look at for Karnataka. Karnataka and Kerala both are in south. Karnataka is also in south. And what is the literacy rate of Karnataka? 75.6%.
75.6%.
So you can in the same manner you can show the comparison of literacy rates of different states with the help of a bar graph. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे बार ग्राफ क्या होता है?
Sir, I know what is bar graph.
No. Let me show you a video on bar graph now. बार ग्राफ का एक वीडियो मैं आपको दिखा दूं, समझ में आ जाएगा बार ग्राफ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait.
So I know, but what is biograph?
Bar graph.
Are you all able to hear the sound?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखिए ध्यान से.
Today, let's learn about data representation. Data representation is the method of representing information in terms of pictures, symbols, graphs, or numbers. The information that we collect is called data. We can reach certain conclusions on studying the data. There are different methods of data representation. One of them is bar graph. Bar graphs may be horizontal or vertical. Now, let's look at the data chart of the flowers collected. We have already represented this data using a pictogram. Now, another way of representing this data is through a bar graph. Every bar graph has one, a title which tells us what the bar graph is about. Two, both side and the bottom of the graph have a label which tell us what kind of data is shown. 3, the scale tells us the number each block is equal to. Now, let's see how we can read this bar graph of flower farm example. The title, Flowers Collected, tells us the bar graph is about the number of flowers collected. The labels give us the information that the data is about who collected the flowers and how many. The scale tells us how many flowers were collected. Hence, from the bar graph, we can say Simi collected 5 flowers, Sanya collected 7 flowers, and Suzanne collected 4 flowers. Max, the mouse, ate some fruits. Let's read this bar graph. Here the title, Fruits Eaten by Max, tells us the bar graph is about the number of fruits eaten by Max, the mouse. The labels tell us that the data is about the kind and number of fruits eaten. The scale.
Now from this video, I am asking you some questions. You have to answer my question. So there is a mouse, his name is Max. Okay, mouse का नाम भी है Max नाम है उसका. So he has eaten some fruits. You have to tell me how many apples the mouse has eaten. Can you tell me by looking at the
Sir,
graph?
5. Sir, 5.
Yes, 5 apples. He has eaten 5 apples. You can look at the bar. This is known as the bar. ये जो यहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है, this is known as bar. This. So the bar of apples is going to which number? What is the height of the
Sir,
apple?
5.
It is going
Sir,
to the
5.
number 5. The height is going up to the number 5. So this means Max has eaten 5 apples. Okay. How many cherries
sir.
he has eaten? Max has eaten
Sir,
how
4.
many?
Sir, 4. Because the bar is going to 4.
Yes.
Is
The height of the bar is going to the number 4. That is why he has eaten 4 cherries. Can you name the fruit that is eaten least by the mouse Max?
mango.
Mango. So the least eaten food is
Mango.
Mango. What is the most eaten fruit by the mouse?
Apple. Apple.
बहुत होशियार बच्चे यहाँ तो पहले से ही. Okay, one more video I will show. Let me first see whether this is a good one or not.
Use different modes of transport to go to school. Can you find how many children use the school bus? At the end of data, now look at these 2 pictographs. The 2 pictographs show scoring pattern.
You have done pictographs in your previous classes?
Yes, sir.
करा हुआ है ना आपने?
Amongst here, a big difference. Can you find out the scoring of this graph? Present what block then says. John looks at the graph displayed on the TV screen and then says, Sachin has scored 10 runs in the 8th over. How did he find this? John has interpreted the data printed graph. One can see that with our I run graph on vertical line. 1 unit. This
Not a good video. Not a good video. You all are small children. Let me show you this one. So you all can yourself also make a bar graph. How you can do it? Let me show in this video.
Pictograph and bar graph. We have already learned about data representation and things sorting in all such as vertical boxes. Give us the data then represented. Step by step.
Now listen. Okay. माइक्स ऑफ करिए पहले तो सब लोग आपके किसी के माइक्स ऑन है अभी. जी माइक ऑफ कर लीजिए. Okay, now all of you, are you all listening?
Yes, sir.
Anji. So look at this. So there are different kinds of trees. The first type is the coconut tree. How many coconut trees are there? Can you tell me how many coconut trees?
Sir, 30.
30 coconut trees. How many banana trees are there? Banana trees kitne hai?
25 trees
25.
of banana.
25 banana trees
25.
are there. Okay. How many mango trees are there?
Sir, 20. Sir, 20.
20 mango trees are there. So you have to represent this data with the help of a bar graph. Now you just see how you can represent this with the help of a bar graph.
It is explaining what is being represented.
Okay, sir.
Step 2. Draw the horizontal and the vertical axis. Step 3. Mark the scales on the vertical axis which represent the numerical data. Step 4. Mark the labels on the horizontal axis. The labels represent the object, etc. Step 5. Draw columns of same width according to the data.
Now see this here. First of all, you can see that what the first thing they did to make a before making a bar graph.
Presents marked vertical axis.
They have drawn two lines. One is horizontal line. Can you see my pointer where I am pointing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the horizontal line.
Yes, sir.
And this is the vertical line.
Yes, sir.
Now they are going to do the labeling on the horizontal and vertical line.
Mark the scales on the vertical axis which represent the numerical data. Step 4. Mark the labels.
Now here on the horizontal line, they have written the names of the trees. Coconut, yes, orange, banana, mango and apple. And on the vertical line, they have written the number of trees.
Numbers.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Increasing order में ये ऐसे करके लिख देते हैं. Equal.
So why only from 0 we start?
We have to start with 0 only, always. Okay, 0 and then equal gap should be there. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. जरूरी नहीं है आप 5 का गैप लेंगे, आपको गैप चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. You can take a gap of
like 10, 20.
You can take a gap of 10 also. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 ऐसे करके भी बना सकते हैं. Okay. Or you can make it like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं. So there are many ways of writing the number of whatever the number is on the vertical axis. This is known as vertical axis, also known as y-axis, and this horizontal line at the bottom, this is known as x-axis. Okay. Now you will make the bars.
On the horizontal axis, the labels represent objects, etc. Step 5. Draw columns of same width according to the data.
Now look at the bar for coconut. Coconut का bar की height कहाँ तक जा रही है?
30.
Because why? Because the number of coconut trees are
30.
इसलिए इसकी height हमने कहाँ तक बनाई है? 30 तक बनाई है. 30. Similarly for orange also, the 35. Height is 35.
35.
And bananas
because 35 trees are there.
Banana
25.
25 तक. Mango
25.
20 and
20.
15.
15.
25, 20
minus 5.
Mango 20 and apple 15.
Okay.
Okay,
like
sir.
Question.
So ये ऐसे it is very easy to make a bar graph. And now अभी आपको मैथ्स में क्या कर सकते हैं, बार ग्राफ कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, जो मैंने आपको अभी प्रोजेक्ट बताया था केरला वाला. How can you do it?
Sir.
You can note down the literacy rate of the states which are there in south. 5-6 states के नाम आप नोट करेंगे. पहले तो केरला, फर्स्ट इज केरला. केरला का लिटरेसी रेट कितना है, राउंड ऑफ करके लिख देंगे 94%. ओके. देन फॉर कर्नाटका the literacy rate was somewhere near 75%. कर्नाटका का लिख लिया, आंध्र प्रदेश का लिख लिया, तमिलनाडु का लिख लेंगे. एंड 1 or 2 states are more there. 1-2 states और हैं वहां पर ज्यादा. तेलंगाना is there. तेलंगाना का भी लिख लेंगे आप लिटरेसी रेट उसकी।
सर इन केरला लिटरेसी वाज 90 थी।
केरला इट वाज 93.9 93.9%।
सर लक्षद्वीप
राउंड ऑफ करके 94% आ जाएगा। तो जो भी स्टेट्स हैं आपके साउथ के 5-6 स्टेट हैं उनका सबका नोट कर लेंगे एंड देन यू विल मेक अ बार ग्राफ लाइक दिस। सबसे नीचे क्या लिखेंगे आप? कर्नाटका, केरला,
कर्नाटका, केरला,
name of the
लक्षद्वीप,
state. Here you will on the horizontal axis you will write
लक्षद्वीप, बरेली।
अरे बरेली कहाँ से आ गया?
उत्तर प्रदेश।
स्टेट्स के नाम लिखने बेटा। उत्तर प्रदेश इज अ स्टेट ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया।
सर लक्षद्वीप इज अ स्टेट ऑफ दैट नॉर्थ इंडिया।
साउथ इंडिया के लिखने हैं, ठीक है, साउथ इंडिया।
सर लाइक झारखंड।
हाँ झारखंड भी थोड़ा वो साउथ में नहीं है, झारखंड इज इन ईस्ट। तो साउथ में आपके हैं केरला, तमिलनाडु। मैप में देख के आप इजीली बता सकते हैं साउथ के स्टेट्स। केरला, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना। तो ऑल दीज स्टेट्स आर देयर फ्रॉम साउथ। इनका आप नोट कर लीजिए, ठीक है। एंड देन यू मेक अ बार ग्राफ। क्लियर और नॉट?
यस सर क्लियर।
So this is how you can do your work in maths. समझ में आ गया सबको कैसे करना है?
Sir, but there are numbers and in that it is percentage. So we will write percentage.
हाँ, you will write percentage.
Okay, sir. So we have to make the PDF or the video.
You have to make a video बेटा। वीडियो में आपको एक्सप्लेन करके दिखाना है।
Okay,
जैसे
sir.
आपने न्यूज चैनल वालों को देखा है कि ये देखिए इस पार्टी को इतने वोट मिले हैं, इस पार्टी को इतने वोट मिले हैं, बार ग्राफ में समझाते हैं। आपने कभी न्यूज में देखा है? Have you ever seen in a news channel?
No,
So
sir.
and so party has got these many votes.
Yes sir, I saw.
Not many times, only one time.
So similarly आपको भी ऐसी न्यूज चैनल का रिपोर्टर बन के बनाना है। See the literacy rate of Kerala is this, literacy rate of Karnataka is this, therefore this shows Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India.
So we will need a chart or a A4 sheet paper.
You can make it on a chart or you can make it on computer also. You can use the resources available online. कंप्यूटर की भी हेल्प लेकर के बना सकते हैं आप पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, और यू कैन मेक इट ऑन अ चार्ट पेपर आल्सो। ओके, लेकिन अभी स्टार्ट मत करिएगा बिकॉज द ग्रुप्स आर नॉट मेड। आई हैव टोल्ड यू व्हाट टू डू, मैंने आपको बता दिया है क्या करना है, बट यू विल स्टार्ट डूइंग ओनली आफ्टर योर ग्रुप्स आर मेड, और आपके क्लास टीचर आपको जब बता देंगे उसके बाद। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? एंड एक और ऑप्शन है, थर्ड ऑप्शन भी था। थर्ड ऑप्शन क्या है? डू यू नो दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट क्लासिकल डांसेस व्हिच आर डन इन द स्टेट ऑफ केरला? केरला में क्लासिकल डांस होते हैं बहुत सारे, आपको मालूम है? So there in Kerala they use mask while doing the dance. Mask आपने देखा है? मास्क पहन के डांस करते हैं केरला में, क्लासिकल डांस। होता है। कभी आप नेट पे सर्च करिएगा वीडियोस, कभी सर्च करिएगा केरला के डांस के वीडियोस सर्च करना। देयर यू कैन सी, हाँ यस, so there you can see they do classical dances wearing mask, and in those masks you can compare with symmetry. Symmetry मैंने आपको उस दिन पढ़ाई थी, सिमेट्री टॉपिक पढ़ाया था। लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, मिरर इमेजेस बन जाती हैं। लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री क्या करती है? इट डिवाइड्स द फिगर इनटू 2 पार्ट्स एंड बोथ द पार्ट्स आर मिरर इमेजेस ऑफ ईच अदर।
यस सर,
हाँ याद है?
यस सर।
हाँ, सिमिलरली मास्क में भी आपका कोई भी आप मास्क पहनते हैं, मास्क में भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है। तो मास्क जैसे कोई इंसान when they wear mask in their classical dance, and then there is a line of symmetry. उसमें क्या होगा, मास की दोनों साइड्स क्या होंगी, they are the mirror images of each other. Okay, so you can compare it with symmetry also. So this is the third option.
Okay.
So whichever option you like, you can do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye.
बाय क्यों, अभी टाइम है बेटा यार. Any other doubt regarding this, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Who is your class teacher, beta?
Sir, Gaurav
Sir,
Abuja, sir.
Gaurav Ahuja, sir.
Gaurav Ahuja sir, and he is not teaching you anything?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
अरे तो
No,
मैं
sir.
रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्रिंसिपल सर से कि गौरव आहूजा सर को यहाँ पर क्लास टीचर है, बिकॉज ही इज द क्लास टीचर, ही शुड टीच मैथ्स. गौरव आहूजा सर को मैथ पढ़ाने दीजिए.
No, sir.
हैं?
Sir,
नहीं?
art. Sir, art.
क्या हुआ बेटा?
Sir, drawing period.
ड्राइंग पीरियड गौरव आहूजा सर को दे दें. अच्छा बेटा सही है, गौरव आहूजा सर को पढ़वा दें मैथ्स, मतलब गौरव आहूजा सर से कहते हैं पढ़ा देंगे मैथ्स. ठीक है?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. I like. No. So you teach is very nice.
अच्छा चलो फिर क्या कर सकते हैं. Okay, so we will now meet tomorrow.